Howdy there, folks. My name's Steven. Today we're going to take a look at this TECWELD. That's T-E-C-W-E-L-D. Little, like, miniature stick welder. This thing's really cool. It's 20 amps, 20.8 volts, 150 amp to 26 volts. And it uses 60% at 150 amps or 26 volts AC at 240 volts. So, anyways, what I love about this is how small and compact it is. It's super compact, only like 5-6 inches wide, and then maybe 7 inches to 8 inches tall. So really, really compact. Comes with a built-in carrying handle as well. So this is a great little welder to have in your truck for little jobs you run into. Has your on-off switch here at the back. Comes with a 240 volt plug-in 3-prong adapter here, and your regular plug-in, nice long cord on it that's extra heavy duty. On the front here, you have your dial from 20 to 200, and your OC indicator light, power light, and your voltage indicator meter. Then you have very nice, high quality clamp right here, and of course your ground. So really, really nice. Was sent to us for review.